Hi, my name is Phan. I'm studying chemical engineering at Sinpakorn University, Samchandra Public Campus. I'm from Chachoengsao, a province in central Thailand, about 82 kilometers from Bangkok. Chachoengsao is famous for this beautiful environment. Let me give you an idea of how to spend a holiday in this province. First, you can start your trip by visiting a floating market in Bangka district. You can enjoy shopping and tasting variety of local dishes and desserts. After touring around the floating market, you can take a boat out to do a sightseeing along the Bangkok River. Enjoy the riverside scenery and see the lifestyle of people there. You can stop at Po Bangka Temple, which is home to thousands of bats at dusk. These bats leave the temple and come back in the morning. They fly a long way to find food along the border area. The last spot I recommend for this trip is the mango orchard. Bangka district is very well known for its variety of mangoes. You can have แรด เขียวเสวย น้ำดอกไม้ and okra. For example, the mango season begins in March, when an annual festival is held to promote mango farming of the district. Come to Chachoengsao, enjoy the natural beauty and exploit the local lifestyle. See you there.